Hello and welcome back to Nutricion. Once upon a time, not so long ago, the word oil was frowned upon in the world of skincare. It was something that should be removed, not applied to your skin. But that was before we realized how beneficial the right oil can be and how important it can be in protecting your skin from wrinkles and aging. What is the key to success? Choosing the right oil for your skin type, because not all oils are created equal. There are numerous anti-wrinkle oils on the market, and selecting the best one can be difficult. But don't worry, we've got you covered, because in today's video, we'll tell you about the best oils for fighting wrinkles. From pomegranate oil to rose oil to geranium oil to lavender oil to baobab oil and more, keep watching until the end to learn about them all. 1. Argan oil. Argan oil's omega fatty acids help to strengthen skin tissues, which can aid in wrinkle prevention. According to one study, women who applied and consumed argan oil improved their skin's ability to retain water. When your skin retains water, it slows the aging process. Researchers discovered that the change was not only superficial but also at the cell level. Look for products that combine argan oil and ceramides to boost anti-aging properties. The fatty acids in argan oil work even better on the skin when combined with ceramides, which also help protect your skin's lipid barrier. This results in fewer wrinkles. Have you tried argan oil? If so, what did you do with it? Tell us in the comments section. 2. Rosehip seed oil. This oil may sound strange, but it can do wonders for wrinkles and premature aging. It contains a high concentration of essential fatty acids, which are ideal for dehydrated skin, particularly to moisturize and plump up the thin skin around your eyes. Rosehip seed oil is easily absorbed by the skin, which is a plus. It's ideal for mature and acne-prone skin. It is also high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help fight wrinkle-causing free radicals and even out pigmentation. Apply the oil in the morning and at night to combat wrinkles. Allow it to absorb before applying it again at night to tackle stubborn, deep wrinkles. 3. Pomegranate oil. Pomegranate oil stimulates skin cell production and protects against free radicals, thereby slowing the aging process. It also has healthy proestrogens to smooth the surface of your skin and antioxidants to stimulate collagen production, firming and plumping the skin. You can mix a few drops of pure pomegranate seed oil into your favorite moisturizer or apply it directly to your skin. In a bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of pomegranate oil, 1 tablespoon of organic yogurt, and 12 tablespoons of honey to make a DIY face mask with pomegranate oil. Spread evenly over your face, then rinse after 10 to 20 minutes. 4. Rose oil. Rose oil is high in vitamins and antioxidants, which help to replenish aging skin. Antioxidants stimulate collagen production in your skin and can also prevent free radical damage. For these reasons, rose oil can temporarily rejuvenate your skin and help to prevent the formation of deep wrinkles and fine lines in the future. Pure rose oil can be applied directly to the skin. However, because of its high price and potency, you may want to dilute 1 or 2 drops of rose oil with a teaspoon of coconut, jojoba, or argan oil before applying it to your skin. 5. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a liquid plant wax that has been used topically on the skin for centuries. Ceramides are lipid molecules that resemble the structure of your skin's natural oils. As a result, jojoba is an excellent ingredient for protecting skin from external damage and replenishing its natural defense barrier. In other words, it aids in the prevention of wrinkle formation. Pure jojoba oil can be mixed into your favorite moisturizer or applied directly to your skin as a toning and hydrating treatment. Jojoba oil can also be used as an oil cleanser to gently remove makeup and debris while also replenishing the skin. Simply soak a cotton ball in jojoba oil, gently massage it into your skin, and then sweep away with a warm washcloth. Jojoba oil is also an excellent carrier oil. For a more targeted treatment, combine it with a few drops of your favorite essential oil for your skin type. 6. Baobab oil. The breakdown of collagen causes fine lines and wrinkles. UV rays, poor diet, insufficient sleep, and other factors can cause collagen breakdown, resulting in wrinkles. Fortunately, the antioxidants in baobab oil helps to preserve collagen. In addition to retaining moisture for soft skin, baobab oil prevents fine lines and wrinkles by preventing collagen breakdown. Because of its lightweight, smooth texture that absorbs quickly and isn't greasy, baobab oil is ideal for use on the skin. 7. Sandalwood Essential Oil. This oil is beneficial for regenerative skin care because it can stimulate the production of new cells and aid in the treatment of sun-damaged and aging skin. This oil's antioxidants aid in the fight against free radicals, and as a natural astringent, it tones and smooths the surface of your skin while combating signs of aging. Sandalwood essential oil is well known for its natural anti-inflammatory properties, which make it an excellent choice for skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. It works to reduce wrinkles and fine lines while also illuminating your skin. Use this oil in a steam facial by placing a single drop in a bowl of hot, but not boiling, water and draping a towel over the bowl. As you inhale, allow the steam to penetrate and infuse into your skin, providing a calming sensation and supporting youthful skin. 8. Carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil is a popular moisturizer for mature skin because it is high in antioxidants and carotenoids, as well as vitamin E. It also contains vitamin C, which protects your skin from inflammation and the damaging effects of the sun. It removes dullness and revitalizes the skin, giving it a firm and toned appearance. Carrot seed essential oil is beneficial to all skin types, but it is particularly beneficial to dry or mature aging skin. It has a strong aroma that may be unpleasant when used alone, but it is an excellent oil for younger looking skin. Apply 1 drop of carrot seed essential oil to a teaspoon of your favorite carrier oil, or if you don't like the scent, try blending it with another essential oil and applying it directly to your skin. 9. Sea buckthorn oil. This oil is high in fatty acids, vitamin C and E, and beta-carotene, all of which help to keep your skin looking young. It also contains linoleic acid, which helps to strengthen the skin's protective barrier and protect it from damage. This oil contains vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to heal skin damage and increase elasticity. Meanwhile, vitamin E and essential fatty acids help to replenish hydration and repair skin damage. Before applying sea buckthorn oil to your skin, make sure to dilute it. Add a drop or 2 of pure sea buckthorn oil to your favorite moisturizer to get started. You can also make a DIY mask with sea buckthorn oil by combining 2 to 4 drops, 12 tablespoon honey, and 1 to 2 tablespoons blended avocado. Apply an even coat to the skin, then rinse after 10 to 20 minutes. 10. Geranium oil. This oil is ideal for mature adult skin because it removes toxins and dead skin cells while encouraging new cell growth and hydration. This essential oil is beneficial to all skin types and is well known for its ability to tighten and rejuvenate skin. It also aids in the treatment of inflammatory conditions such as dermatitis, eczema, and rosacea, which can dull your skin's radiance. Geranium essential oil can also help reduce blemishes, age spots, and acne scars. Add 1 drop of geranium essential oil to a teaspoon of your favorite face wash, lotion, or carrier oil and apply to a clean face, neck, and chest as part of your skincare routine in the evenings or mornings. Thank you for watching our video about the best oils for fighting wrinkles. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Before you go, make sure to click the next video where we talk about 14 powerful anti-aging fruits that can delay the aging of your skin. Now, here's a question for you. Which oil are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thank you for tuning into Nutricion, and we'll see you in the next video.